Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Lloyds Bank account to Monzo account. First, open the Lloyds Bank app. Make sure it's up to date. Log in, then tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom. Choose Make a Payment. Add a new recipient. Open the Monzo app and copy the account name, sort code, and account number. Paste those details into the Lloyds app to register the Monzo account. Tap on the new Monzo payee, enter the amount, and adjust the settings. Double check everything and confirm the payment. That's it. The money should arrive instantly or within 1 business day. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.